Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll look at tasty variations, serving suggestions and tips to make your stuffed peppers even better. Step-by-step guide to making stuffed green peppers. Now that you know the history and key ingredients, let's get into the practical steps. Making stuffed green peppers is straightforward, but a few techniques will help you avoid common pitfalls, like undercooked rice or soggy peppers. Preparing the peppers for stuffing. Start with fresh, firm bell peppers. Here's how to get them ready. Wash and dry. Rinse the peppers under cool water, then pat them dry. This removes any dirt or residue. Cut the tops. Slice about ½ inch off the top, stem side, to create an opening. Save the tops. They add flavor if chopped and mixed into the filling. Remove seeds and membranes. Use a spoon to scrape out the white ribs and seeds. Rinse briefly if needed. Blanch, optional. For softer peppers, boil them for 3 to 4 minutes, then cool in ice water. Skip this if you prefer a firmer bite. A quick tip. If your peppers won't stand upright, slice a thin piece off the bottom to level them. Just don't cut through completely, or the filling will leak. Mixing and assembling the filling. A great filling balances moisture, protein, and seasoning. Follow these steps. Cook the base. Sauté onions, garlic, and any raw meat until brown. Drain excess fat if needed. Add grains and veggies. Stir in partially cooked rice, or substitutes like quinoa, diced tomatoes, and spices. Let it cool slightly. This makes stuffing easier. Bind it. For extra richness, mix in an egg, cheese, or breadcrumbs. This helps the filling hold together. When stuffing, fill each pepper just below the rim. The rice will expand during cooking. Lightly press the filling to eliminate air pockets. Top with grated cheese or extra sauce for a golden finish. Baking or cooking methods. How you cook stuffed peppers affects their texture and flavor. Here are the best options. Baking, traditional method. Temperature: 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Time: 35 to 45 minutes. Best for crisp, tender peppers with a slightly caramelized top. Add a splash of broth to the pan to keep them moist. Slow cooking. Temperature: low setting. Time: 4 to 6 hours. Best for ultra-tender peppers and hands-off cooking. Layer them carefully to prevent collapsing. Instant pot, pressure cooker. Time: 10 to 12 minutes on high pressure. Best for speed. Use a trivet and 1 cup of water to create steam. For all methods, check doneness by piercing the pepper with a fork. It should slide in easily. Let them rest for 5 minutes before serving to set the filling. Creative variations of stuffed green peppers. Stuffed green peppers don't have to be the same every time. With a few smart swaps, you can turn them into a vegetarian feast, a gluten-free dish, or even a global-inspired meal. The best part? You keep the comfort of the original while adding fresh flavors. Here's how to mix it up. Vegetarian and vegan variations. Skip the meat without sacrificing flavor. Plant-based fillings can be just as hearty and satisfying. Lentil and quinoa. Cooked lentils and quinoa mimic the texture of ground meat. Add diced mushrooms for umami depth. Black bean and corn. A Tex-Mex twist with taco seasoning, black beans, and sweet corn. Top with avocado cream. Stuffed with falafel mix. Swap the filling for spiced chickpeas, parsley, and tahini. Bake until crispy. For vegan versions, skip cheese and use nutritional yeast or cashew cream instead. Roasted eggplant or zucchini adds moisture without dairy. Gluten-free and low-carb options. Traditional stuffed peppers often rely on rice or breadcrumbs, but it's easy to lighten them up. Cauliflower rice. Sautéed with garlic and herbs, it cooks faster than regular rice and cuts carbs. Chopped nuts. Almonds or walnuts add crunch without grains. Toast them first for extra flavor. Cheesy egg binder. For keto-friendly peppers, mix beaten eggs into the filling to hold it together. Skip the blanching step if you prefer crunchier peppers. They'll hold up better with grain-free fillings. International flavor inspirations. Take your peppers on a trip with global spices and ingredients. Greek style. Stuff with orzo, spinach, and feta. Finish with a lemon herb drizzle. Thai inspired. Coconut rice, red curry paste, and minced tofu. Garnish with fresh basil. Italian arancini twist. Fill peppers with risotto-style rice, mozzarella, and peas. Bake until gooey. For a Middle Eastern touch, try filling peppers with spiced lamb, apricots, and pistachios. Serve with yogurt sauce. The key is balancing flavors. If using bold spices, keep the filling simple. For mild ingredients, layer herbs and aromatics generously. Serving and pairing suggestions for stuffed green peppers. Stuffed green peppers are a complete meal on their own, but the right sides, sauces, and drinks can turn them into something special. Whether you're serving them at a casual dinner or weekend gathering, here's how to round out the plate. Side dishes to elevate your meal. Pair your stuffed peppers with sides that add texture and balance. Here are a few winners. Garlic bread or focaccia. Perfect for soaking up any extra sauce or filling. Simple green salad. A crisp mix of arugula, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette cuts through the richness. Roasted vegetables. Zucchini, carrots, or asparagus add color and a slight char. Mashed potatoes or polenta. Creamy sides make the meal even heartier. For a Mediterranean twist, serve with hummus and warm pita. If you went Tex-Mex, a side of cilantro lime rice works well. Sauce and topping ideas. A drizzle or dollop can take stuffed peppers from good to great. Try these. Tomato sauce. Classic and versatile, simmer with garlic and basil for extra flavor. Cheese sauce. A sharp cheddar or smoky Gouda sauce adds indulgence. Yogurt or tzatziki. Cool and tangy, especially with spicier fillings. Avocado crema. Blend avocado with lime and sour cream for a fresh finish. For crunch, sprinkle toasted breadcrumbs, chopped nuts, or crispy fried onions on top. Beverage pairings. The right drink can highlight the flavors in your stuffed peppers. Consider these pairings. Red wine. A medium-bodied Cabernet Sauvignon or Merlot matches well with beef-filled peppers. White wine. A crisp Sauvignon Blanc or Pinot Grigio balances vegetarian versions. Beer. A lager or amber ale complements the savory notes without overpowering. Iced tea or lemonade. Refreshing for summer meals, especially with a hint of mint. For a fun twist, try a spicy margarita with peppers stuffed with Mexican-inspired fillings. Stuffed green peppers stand the test of time because they're adaptable, satisfying, and packed with flavor. From their Mediterranean roots to modern kitchen twists, they prove simple ingredients can shine. Try your own spin. Swap fillings, experiment with spices, or make them vegetarian. The best versions often come from personal touches. Made a batch? Share your creations online or with friends. Food tastes better when it's shared. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.